This, my friend, is a 1905 to 1913 E.ingraham gingerbread 8-day clock. I found this, believe it or not, in the garbage. Some old man threw it out, and the problem was the pendulum wouldn't keep swinging. So I'm not a clock expert, but I'm mechanically inclined. So I took it apart, made it work, got some information on it, and it's worth a couple of dollars. I've seen them on eBay go for anywhere from $400 to $600. So it's not missing anything actually. It has the original pendulum, has the original key, which is somewhere in there. There it is. That's the original key to it. As far as I know, that's the original face of the clock, original hands. And it's in mint condition. I don't understand why somebody would throw this out, but anyway, here it is.